In today's video, you come with me as I do my grocery shopping. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Kalonjo Sharifa, and in today's video I'm making my simple, very simple grocery shopping and plus making dinner with me. As you can see, I'm shopping a few things I'm gonna use. I don't want to spend a lot, so I'll just take 2 tomatoes and some onions. Plus some drumstick, chicken drumstick or chicken thighs. I need some sugar. Half a kilo is enough for me. Yeah, normally I always buy brown sugar because I like brown sugar. And I'm gonna take some Red Bull for some energy boosting. Sometimes you need it. Plus, I need some little juice. So I'm buying this because it looks funny. I like it, and it's so tiny. It's like for a baby, and it is so cheap. So I like cheap things because I don't want to spend a lot. Guys, in here is my favorite part of shopping is the ice cream. So there is this my favorite ice cream that I always want to have in my fridge. It's called Inglo. So I'm gonna have it. It's a value pack, 5 pieces inside. Ooh, I can't wait to have this. There's a lot of juices here, but I don't need any of them because I know 100% they are non-fresh. Some cookies, but I still have more cookies back home, so I will not have cookies. But I'll just show you some nice cookies that I always buy. This Royal Dutch. Yeah, that is my shopping. I forgot to wear this. Oh my god. Okay, so back with the counter. This is the worst part about adulting. You need to pay on bills, guys. No one is gonna pay for you the bills. So I'm going out of the mall just to show you around how this mall is designed. Some beautiful shops out here. If you're in Dubai, you can look out. It's in the Suqain in Jumeirah. This is a very beautiful design for Ramadan Kareem, and that is the holy month of Muslims. Yeah, so I'm out of the mall, going back home. It's a walkable distance, so oh god, oh the one that is shut up. So I'm gonna use a shortcut, and my home is just around 15 minutes only. So I just need to walk. I don't need to get a taxi. There's a lot of nice cars parking around. It's quite challenging to live in this area because all I see is expensive cars. Oh my god, look at this one. And that one there is my dream car. One day I'm gonna buy it. Let me zoom it in for you. Is it a Range Rover Sport? So guys, I'm almost home, so close. There is a pole around, and I'm home. Time to cook my dinner, and okay, some mandarin and a selfie, of course. Anytime I see a mirror, I'm always like, I need to take a selfie. This is radiant yummy. I didn't use any oils, so I just made it. I mean, I for one, I don't want a meal without avocado, so it's a must have on my diet. So everything is ready, just waiting for the sauce, and here we are, guys. Let's eat. This is what I created for my dinner: some fruits, mandarin and some pineapple, avocado, my small juice, and bottle of water. You can see it is so tiny. I like it. And of course some rice and chicken. Woohoo! I'm done, guys, and it's time for bed right now. Ooh, this is the very waited time after a very long day at work. So here's my big bed. Excited. Please, guys, if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned.